Hi Ava, we're at a pet store right now and there are all these little puppies. Let's see if we can pet some puppies. Come here, little puppy. Want to say hi? Say hi. That's one. This is a pug. That's a pug. Let's go over here. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Hello. Hello. That's a cute one. I don't know what type that is. Hello. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. See? See him playing around? See, they're in a little cage. See, this is the pet store. We don't have any pet stores like this. Look at all these little puppies. It's puppy land. Oh, this guy is so cute. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Hello. And look at this one. That's a little Labrador puppy. He's sleeping. And look at that. That's a kitty. That looks like a tiger. These are little pugs. Let's see. These guys, look at those guys playing. They look pretty friendly, huh? Okay, let's see what else we got here. This guy's just napping. He's having a great time napping. And look at those two little puppies. And look at these guys right here. Look at little puppies. Oh, they're cute, huh? Let's see. So here's the one dog we saw. It's okay. Let's see if we can pet him again. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Here, we'll play tug of war. Gonna play cat. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Hey. Hey. Look at this one. Hello. You have paper in your mouth. Here, come here. Hey, little puppy. Look at these guys. These guys are crazy. These guys are crazy. Hey. Hey, 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 easy with the dog.
Scorpions, they don't attack each other.
Well, they're in the same cage. They're just play fighting. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Little puppies. Little puppy, good little puppy. Let's say hi to Ava. Hello. Hello, Ava. Hello. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hello. They're buddies too. They're buddies too. Oh, you get wild when we do that, huh? Okay. 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 No biting, no biting, no biting, no biting. No biting. No biting, no biting. Okay. Say bye. Bye. But look at this little guinea pig right here. Look at these guys. Are those rabbits? Those are rabbits. Okay. See you later, Ava. You say bye to the puppies. Let's see if there are any other ones here. Oh, little kitties. Little kitties right here. That one. And then look, they have fishies. They have all different types of fish. And I'll show you there's something called a monitor lizard here. See him right there? Cool. Okay, sweetie, see you later.